My class 12 boards are just over and my results will be out within 15 days. I know I prolonged and didn't upload videos after my boards, so I thought to bring this video for my lovely 10th graders. So here I'm going to share my 2 years experience with you all as a commerce student. If you are studying currently in 10th and appearing for boards, all the best to you guys first, and it will be very helpful for you because you can understand the environment and the scenario in class 12th and 11th commerce. Yesterday while writing the script, I just here wrote some points, so I will be discussing all these points in this video right now. Like literally guys, the time is ticking up. I'm not understanding that my boards are literally over and now I will be going to college and have to decide the degree which I will be doing next. So I'm just trying to think and I'm just discussing with my parents and other relatives कि मैं क्या करूँ कैसे, and when I will decide I will literally upload video and tell you guys. I just don't want to assume a degree and tell you now because I can do a different thing also, so not now. When I say I'm going to talk about the 2 years experience, I'm literally getting a deja vu right now क्योंकि मैं 11th में जाने से पहले से मेरे like 12th के बोर्ड्स ख़त्म हो गए थे and I was so stressed out because I didn't know at which college I will get my admission to. Here are the points. It is like a reminder for me because मैंने कुछ like mistakes की थी and I don't want to do the same mistakes when I will be now in college. So let's take out all the points. Really recording after so long time, so it's nervous. I'm literally nervous today. Biggest problem that I had was the thing that I'm an introvert, and this is the biggest problem when you are stepping out of your comfort zone, like school से like college जा रही हो and there are like new environment, new surroundings, everything, and you are just like कि मैं किसी से बात करूँ या नहीं. But you should step out of your comfort zone. Even though I was an introvert, but still I tried to speak with lot of people, lot of students at the starting phase ताकि मैं friends बना पाऊँ. So I know it's too hard, even it was hard for me. Till 10 I was not having many friends, like मैं सिर्फ 2-3 लड़कियों से ही बात करती थी and done. But in 11th I thought to get out of the comfort zone and to try to speak with everyone. So I started speaking, and like you will know, like few people might be rude at the start and then might be your friends too. It can happen. So main thing I know that it will take some time, and the second thing is the most worst defect is the comparison. So I know now, suppose if you are starting to talk with everyone and अगर आपसे कोई बात नहीं कर रहा है, no one is getting close with you or not trying to talk to you, and you see your surroundings कि बाकी सबके friends बन रहे हैं and I'm the only one जिसके कोई friend नहीं है. So please stop comparing at that point of time. It's okay if no one is talking with you, you can leave alone. Even till 10th मेरे कोई दोस्त नहीं थे. I was just going alone to the school and coming back, so it is fine. But the thing is, you should try to speak to someone so that in the future you can get friends and you can talk with them, right? So you have to keep that in mind. And ये इंट्रोवर्ट रहना ना बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है बिकॉज देर आर एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलम एक्टिविटीज़ हैज़ यू नो. तो एनुअल फंक्शंस होते हैं और मैं उसमें लाइक पार्टिसिपेट करने ही जाती ही नहीं थी बिकॉज आई वॉज सो स्कैर्ड टू गिव ऑडिशंस एंड ऑल. लाइक सिंगिंग ये तो मुझसे नहीं होगा. इवन डांस, इवन ओके आई कैन डांस बट स्टिल आई वॉज सो स्कैर्ड टू डांस इन फ्रंट ऑफ द जजेस एंड टू गेट पार्टिसिपेट इन द कॉम्पिटिशन. सो आई वॉज लाइक नो, जाना ही नहीं. And that is the big reason, because of my shyness I didn't step out of my comfort zone and I didn't take part in much competitions. I think 11th में मैंने starting पे बस एक ही competition में लिया था participate. For that I got one certificate. उसके बाद मैंने लिया ही नहीं. Annual function में I tried to go but I didn't get selected. कोई बात नहीं. So there are things but you should try so that at least आपको participation मिल जाए. But in between I had taken part in the painting competition. Most important thing is to value yourself first. That is also very important. So please don't compare. I tell you guys in every video, but still I think it is something that we do usually. Even it's like getting motivation, right? Like हम videos देखते motivate होते हैं and after 2-3 days we literally forgot what we for why we got motivated and all. I literally have so many things to share with you, but it will be totally 20 minutes long video, तो इतना तो नहीं बनाना है. And the main thing I'm emphasizing with other things and not even only for academics is to understand कि like friends बनाना, if you are introvert come out of your comfort zone. It is like more important than academics. Like you will study, you will pass, but these are the more important things, or you will be feeling like lonely, and you will feel like you are behind than others. So these things are really important. Second thing comes is tuitions. If you need tuitions, you can go. Like I don't think in 11th आपको tuition की कोई ज़रूरत होगी, because syllabus is quite easier, but I don't think few subjects are like थोड़े अजीब हो जाते हैं बीच में. लाइक स्टार्टिंग में वी वर हैविंग अकाउंट्स, इकोनॉमिक्स एंड ऑल राइट, तो ये थोड़े सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक ईजी थे बिकॉज इट वॉज फॉर द स्टार्टिंग, सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड ओनली बेसिक्स वर देयर. तो पहले 2 एग्ज़ाम आराम से गए, बट द फाइनल एग्जाम वॉज क्वाइट मोर डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज देन, क्योंकि हमें बेसिक्स समझ में आ गए थे, सो दे स्टार्टेड गिविंग अस मोर फॉर्मूलाज, मोर दिस, मोर कॉन्सेप्ट इन डेप्थ, सो इट वॉज लाइक टू डिफिकल्ट. I think you will need tuition if you are taking maths. So maths is the optional subject which I had also taken during my 11th, क्योंकि मुझे लगा था कि 10th बोर्ड के एग्ज़ाम्स देने के बाद it is easy and I will be able to compete with others very really easily. But it's not like that, because maths is tougher. It is like toughest thing in 11th and 12th. Just look at the curriculum of your college, high school, if they are allowing you to change the subject विच इज़ दी ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट. बिकॉज इन 11th मैंने मैथ्स लिया था, बट मुझे पता चल गया था एट द एंड कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है, मार्क्स भी बहुत ज़्यादा कम आ रहे हैं. सो व्हेन आई विल बी गोइंग इन 12th, परसेंटेज मैटर्स राइट. सो आई वोंट बी एबल टू गेट दी डिज़ायर्ड परसेंटेज. तो इसके लिए मैंने मैथ्स ड्रॉप की आफ्टर 11th एंड आई हैड टेकन एन ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट. सो यू हैव टू सी कि वो आपको अलाउ कर रहे हैं या नहीं, बिकॉज आई थिंक इन सम ऑफ द कॉलेजेस यू हैव टू डू मैथ्स फॉर 2 years एंड इन 11th इट इज़ लाइक मैनेजेबल एवरीथिंग. एंड आई वॉन्ट यू गाइज टू नो टू इन्जॉय व्हेन देयर इज़ टाइम इन 11th, बिकॉज 12th में बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं मिलता है फॉर एनी थिंग. आई थिंक इन 11th आई लिटरली enjoy doing my own stuff. Okay, I was an introvert, तो मैं घर आती थी, लाइक फ़ोन चलाती थी, और आई टू जस्ट पेंट, डू एनीथिंग लाइक हॉबीज़. इसके लिए भी लाइक ना टाइम मिलना चाहिए, एंड इन 12th यू वोंट गेट एनी टाइम फॉर दैट. सो enjoy, do things that you love, because after that you won't have much time. Even I am thinking कि अभी मुझे करियर चॉइस के बारे में अभी सोचना है, एंड आई नो आफ्टर दिस आई वोंट गेट एनी टाइम टू डू मोर ऑफ माई पर्सनल थिंग्स लाइक हॉबीज़ एंड ऑल. So yeah, in 11th I used to binge watch K-dramas. Like I was so addicted in 11th, पर 12th में मुझे बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं मिला. इवन आई थिंक मैंने देख के स्टार्टिंग में 2-3 एपिसोड्स ऑफ वन सीरीज़, एक ही सीरीज़ के मैंने 2-3 एपिसोड देखे होंगे, बिकॉज आफ्टर दैट आई डिडंट गेट टाइम एंड आई थॉट इट इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर 12th ऑल्सो. सो यू नो लाइफ लिटरली स्टार्ट गेटिंग सो सीरियस. लाइक 11th में बहुत ज़्यादा चिल थी, एकदम आराम से, बट इन 12th मुझे किसी भी चीज़ के लिए टाइम नहीं मिला. इज़ अबाउट असाइनमेंट्स, एंड इट वॉज लाइक आई गॉट डिसीव्ड फ्रॉम माई क्लासमेट्स, जस्ट बिकॉज आई थॉट कि असाइनमेंट्स आराम से लाइक ईजी करेंगे तो चलेगा, बट इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. यू हैव टू लिटरली वर्क सो हार्ड फॉर असाइनमेंट्स, स्पेशली इन 12th, बिकॉज दोज marks will be counted as the internal marks for the final board examination. Most of you guys might be doing very well assignments, but you have to like excel in it, because other students like मैं बहुत ज़्यादा शौक थी, because see in 11th मैंने किए थे assignments okay like, and I think I got pretty well marks for that. But in 12th क्या हुआ, हमें assignments दिए गए, we got a duration right कि हम complete करें. I worked really hard for my assignments, and मुझे जितना लगा अच्छा मैंने उतना किया. And then came the most important part, which is the submission of the assignment. And उस टाइम पे सब लोग अपने assignments लाते थे स्कूल, and I was like seriously, the people, the way, the efforts they put in their assignments was like the color papers, पता नहीं और क्या क्या. It was something literally different. Like excel, outstanding, मतलब क्या ही बोलूँ. So you should understand that people are literally fake. You can't trust anyone. I'm telling you. Literally, I'm telling you. You should understand that there is a pretty well competition going on every day with you and your classmates. Even though if they are your friends, okay, but you should understand that you can't make yourself down for others. You should keep in your mind कि you should know your worth and value, and किसी और के लिए आपको करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. when I'm talking about this, I want to bring about the presentations, which is viva and presentations होते हैं after assignments. Written assignments अलग होते हैं, then we have to present it, right? So you should understand that now you are grown up, and even I'm an introvert. I have that habit. I'm recording here, but no one is there in this particular room. From the day one I was born, I have that problem of social anxiety, public stage fear, and although I can't really speak well in front of 10-20 people, I have that habit. मतलब मैं कितनी भी बार कोशिश कर लूँ, even I'm like no, you can do it, you will. I tremble a lot. I literally forget what I'm about to speak. So now I'm trying to get out and to get rid of this, because you don't have any option, because when teachers are taking presentation you have to do well, because the competition is too tough. Everyone who are like कि मुझसे नहीं होगा, they tell you that they won't do well, but you should understand that most of them are literally lying. I will help you guys to get out of the social anxiety and all that stuff, because I'm also going through that. Thought to bring this video more about the things that I faced and not more about the academics. But in academics के लिए मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि I have written one point कि accounts के बारे में. As you know, if you are opting for commerce, accounts is the subject which is the main subject, and it is like literally important plus difficult. In 11th it is like manageable होता है starting के, क्योंकि starting के एग्ज़ाम में like basics पूछते हैं. Like sums are too easy, journal entries which are really easy in 11th, but in 12th the shift goes like too high. But I think in 12th you will need tuition for accounts, because the sums are like too hard, and even if you make a single silly mistake, whole sum might be wrong and you might be like devastated कि ये क्या हो रहा है, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. So it is better to go for tuitions in class 12, because teachers के लिए स्कूल में ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं होता. They have to finish the syllabus, so they teach really fast, so you won't understand some of the things, right? So it is better to go for tuition in class 12 for accounts. Last thing, you should know that time goes fast, so you must live in this world and not survive. So you should know the difference between both. You should live it. Like robot की तरह नहीं रहना है कि सुबह उठो ये करो. I know the situation is like that, but you must know the importance of living. That you should try to do something that will make you happy in between. In 12th मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ करने के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलता था, so just to make myself fresh and to refresh my mind, I have that habit of listening to music, any genre, कुछ भी like कुछ भी वो मुझे पसंद आ जाता है, बस म्यूज़िक और बीट्स थोड़ा अच्छा होना चाहिए, and then I like that music. And if you're someone like me who literally don't know what to do in life, you should understand the importance of the decision also, because see अभी मेरी 12th ख़त्म हो गई है and now I'm trying to figure out what to do in my life. But it is better if you understand it in 11th only, so you can go and search about these videos about career choices, so it will be better for you. मैंने ये 11th में ट्राई किया था, बट मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था, सो आई केप्ट इट फॉर लेटर, दैट इज़ आफ्टर 12th के बाद मैं देखूँगी, रिजल्ट्स आते वक्त मैं देखूँगी क्या करूँगी. एंड नाउ आई एम लाइक स्ट्रगलिंग बट स्टिल ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट व्हाट आई वांट टू डू नाउ. लेट्स सी, पता नहीं अभी मैं क्या करूँगी. I will tell you guys later. That is it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe so that you can be the part of the family and we can grow together. So yeah, मैंने सोचा कि बहुत ज़्यादा लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बोलूँ इस वीडियो पे, बिकॉज एकेडमिक्स, सो यू नो द डिफ़िकल्टी लेवल एंड ऑल. बट स्टिल इफ़ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम एंड वांट टू do inquiry, you can just comment down below, then I can help you. I will reply to your comment. And now I think after this the next video I will upload is about my results reaction. I don't know, I'm literally scared. I'm like पता नहीं क्या होगा. So make sure to subscribe so that you will be able to stay tuned during my result reaction video. Bye.